Differentiate y is equal to tan x and y is equal to cotx for x measured in radians. So we've got y is equal to tan x, x measured in radians. We should know that tan x is sine x over cos x. So we'll rewrite it as sine x over cos x. Now this is a quotient, therefore we need to differentiate it using the quotient rule. It's type u over v. And the quotient rule says d dx of uv is v du by dx minus u dv by dx over v squared. So dy by dx will be v, which is cos x, times the differential of sine, which is also cos x, minus u, which is sine x, times dv by dx, and differential cos x is minus sine x. Notice a good use of brackets there. Divided by v squared, so it's cos squared x, which we write like that, cos squared x. Now cos times cos is cos squared. A minus times a minus makes a plus, and we're going to have a plus sine squared x over cos squared x. Now we should know from our trigonometry that sine squared plus cos squared is equal to 1. So that gives me that this becomes equal to y is equal to 1 over cos squared x. And we know that sec squared is 1 over cos. Therefore, if y is equal to tan x, then dy by dx is sec squared x. Now for cot, it's a very similar process. Cot is cos over sine. So we'll rewrite y is cos x over sine x, and then we're using the quotient rule again, type u over v. The rule is d dx of uv is v du by dx minus u dv by dx over v squared. So dy by dx will be equal to v, which is sine x, times du by dx, so the differential cos, which is minus sine x, minus u, which is cos x, times the differential sine, which is cos x, all over v squared, which is sine squared x. So if we multiply sine by minus sine, we're going to get minus sine squared x. And then cos by cos is cos squared x. We've got minus cos squared x. If we take out a minus sign, that will become a plus cos squared x over sine squared x. Similarly, sine squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. So we'll replace that with a 1. So we get minus 1 over sine squared. And we know that cosec x is 1 over sine x. And therefore we can say if y is equal to cot x, dy by dx is minus cosec squared x. Okay, this has been a video to show how to differentiate tan x and cot x. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching. Just one last thing, now these are standard results, so you can actually remember them. You don't have to go through this process each time. I hope you've understood. Thank you very much.